Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. In this video, I'm going to react to a Karen attacking a Ring doorbell camera and instantly regretting it. Now, we are experiencing an epidemic of these Karens. Like, I had one recently. You know, I was pulling out of my place and someone was coming straight at me at like 40 miles an hour. This is a residential road. The limit is like 20. She's coming really fast. She doesn't look to see me emerging. And then she just starts swearing at me. It's just crazy. And I just don't know why people can't behave themselves these days. It feels like people's behavior and just general attitudes are getting worse. So yeah, this video here I love it. It's from the Karma channel. He does the best Karen related content. And I know not every person, not every woman who's called Karen is a Karen, not saying that. But yeah, like Karen related content, check out this guy's channel. So yeah, this video should be really entertaining, really funny to watch. Let's do it.
Knock, knock!
Who's there?
Karen!
Oh, Karens have the tendency to pop up just about anywhere. The good news for most cases is that you can just walk away and avoid the situation entirely. However, this isn't exactly possible when they rock up at your front door. Today, just for you, we've got Karens caught on doorbell cameras. This racist Karen tells her neighbor to stop being angry at her kids for running on the lawn as if it's her own business.
I am really offended that you yelled at my kids for being in your fucking yard. I don't appreciate that.
Hold on.
What?
You are a fucking moron.
Hold on, because I haven't even been outside to see your kids. But hold on, 1 second. Let me get
It's
in
her
there,
yard.
and I'll be there.
It's her
Answer the
yard.
door.
Give me 1 second.
She doesn't want your kids running on her yard.
Man,
Come on, girl, open the door. You yell at kids for playing in your yard.
Why can't they play in your
I
yard
haven't even
though?
talked to your kids. I haven't even been outside because it's a pandemic. But you're supposed and you feel so empowered. Your kid is telling a blatant lie. But give me a
What's
second.
that kid got in his hand? What's that?
Open the goddamn door.
Hold on. Yeah.
What the heck?
This is probably one of the most
Whoa.
unpatriotic Karens you'll ever see.
How are
Drop
you?
the
I'm
N-word.
good. How are you? I want to talk about this Tigger flag.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay, why not?
I thought the American flag was real nice.
Uh-huh.
I don't say nothing about the shrubbery being cut. I don't say nothing about the backyard. But now, I don't like that.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Oh, okay, I didn't hang that. My brother hung that.
Well, I know. I'm just telling you, I don't like it. And we
Who cares? Like, so?
have rules. I won't have to go find out what they are, but I don't like that.
I mean, this isn't a homeowners association, though.
No, but there's rules for the community. There is called Williamsburg something, and there's rules.
Something.
So I'm just saying, I don't like it.
All right.
It makes it look tacky.
But
Welcome.
Makes the neighborhood look tacky.
It doesn't, but that's okay.
Huh?
I said it doesn't, but it's okay. You're allowed your opinion.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
We'll
wow.
find out about it.
Imagine being accused of squatting at your own
my
front
God.
door. It'd be pretty humiliating. Take a look at how this Karen lies about working for the state, but really, she's just being a nosy neighbor, to say the least.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
Okay, so
So
who are
do
you
you-
looking for?
Do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California,
You'll
then
know.
you'll know how to find a property.
Yeah.
If you're not the tenant on the lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days.
What is
You
going
understand?
on?
You're funny.
What is your
Are you-
problem, lady?
You laughing at me?
Yes.
You look like you're on drugs. Are
Unless
you
you,
okay?
looks like you're on drugs.
Well, you're being recorded,
So-
I hope that you're
Can someone explain like why she would do this? Like, why would she be doing this? What's in it for her? Like, is she just bored? Is she lonely maybe?
representing
It
yourself.
doesn't matter.
You will be recorded. So you're
It
on
doesn't
video.
matter.
Well,
It doesn't
we'll see what
matter.
the police say.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
You look like
okay?
you have issues.
And there's no. Okay. Oh, some at your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it.
How are they squatters though? How do you know
You're
that?
a squatter. You're on my property. Get off of it.
Oh my god.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number
How
out
are
here
you
and
gonna
your
do
son's
that,
card.
though?
And I'm going to make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
What is she?
Handle your business.
Cracked out Karens are entertaining to watch, but what you're about to see would frankly just be scary if this was your apartment door.
What the hell? Oh my god, it's the middle of the night as well. This would be terrible. Just call the cops. I would call the cops immediately. Oh. What is she doing? What's the world's going mad, honestly. It's going mad. What a nutcase.
This male Karen was just asking for some instant karma after scratching his neighbor's doorbell camera. This one's pretty funny.
What the hell? What is with people these days? What is your problem, dude? Just piss off back to your own place. He looks like he's high on something, like PCP or something like that. That was beautiful.
This racist Karen destroys her neighbor's Black Lives Matter sign, and it's all caught on camera. I couldn't think of anything worse than having some of these people as neighbors.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you're a piece of piece of
What is your problem though?
piece of
Why are you so angry? Like, why are you so emotional? Like, what is your problem?
Yeah, you're a piece of
Like, did they run out of...
piece of
Oh, I was gonna say something.
This
there.
Karen rocks up at her neighbor's house and appears to be rather distressed. I'm not sure if I should feel bad for her or not. She clearly needs help in some way or another.
Oh my god, this is just crazy. Crazy. Get help. She needs psychiatric help immediately.
Here we have yet another cracked out Karen. This one tries to steal a bike and gets confronted, and it's bloody brilliant. Karma is served.
I hate thieves, honestly. I hate them. What is your problem? Unbelievable. You're on camera, dummy. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What do you mean sorry? You're not sorry. Piss off. You're just sorry you got caught.
I'm sorry, please don't. And I'm on your ring anyway.
Call anyway. Call the police anyway. She will do it again.
I just have no gas money.
Get off my property.
I apologize.
She's lucky. This guy's a really, really nice guy. She would have got...
Again.
I won't.
She would have happily taken your bike and sold it. Probably for drugs.
This Karen mistakes her neighbor's doorbell for a slot machine. In all seriousness though guys, the homeowner's cat was in her front yard. It's a pretty big deal.
Oh,
Open your door.
what do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong?
I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved.
Okay, I get that. I can understand why she's pissed, because that would be really annoying, your stuff getting destroyed.
Because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. But you know what? That's fine. We can go ahead and get the police involved. That's totally fine.
While we know that Sleepy Joe isn't exactly supported by everyone, this Karen is just downright rude in the way that she expresses her distaste in her neighbor's sign.
Hello, can I help you?
I want to talk to you. This is Elba. I want to show you something.
I'm sorry, I can't come to the door right now.
Get out your neighborhood bylaws. It's section 5.20. No sign shall be in the yard. If you don't take this Harris Biden down, I will sue you. And I was going to have you sell my house, but that's not going to happen now, and you're going to lose a lot of business because of this crap. You get out your neighborhood association bylaws, section 5.20.
Section 5.20. That was honestly hilarious, man. People are falling apart at the seams. It just, I don't know what's going on, whether it's people are just getting a bit crazier or if it's just because we've got more cameras recording people. It's probably a bit of both. Just can't people just be normal anymore? Behave yourselves, have politeness, be cordial. Everything would be so much smoother and people would be, it would just be a nicer place to be. Like, oh my God, crazy stuff, but very entertaining video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.